Today's video is going to be a slightly different video than usual. This is a giveaway that's sponsored by HGLRC. Also, they're giving us a coupon for 8% off of their entire website. Now, let's talk about some of the components here. They're giving away it's a combo actually. The HGLRC F722, we're just going to take a look at it in a bit, along with the HGLRC GPS and the LED boards. This is by far one of the cheapest F7s that could accommodate all this stuff, along with the 9-volt regulator for the DJI for only 25 bucks. So for 25 bucks, you are getting quite a lot. And not only that, they also have USB-C connection. So we've done a previous video on this where I took into great detail the amount of features this thing is running. It has dual camera inputs. It has just about memory. We have a 9-volt. We have the LED outputs, the GPS outputs. You even have them in connectors. And it's pretty insane that they've dropped the price down to 25 bucks, or it's on sale for 25 bucks right now. So that's what they wanted me to let you guys know. Now, in order to win this complete combo right here, along with the HGLRC cap, as you can tell, it's pretty nice if you like that. Just leave a comment down below. Also, make sure you're subscribed and check the links down below as well. And let's go ahead and take a look at the GPS. Now, they're stating that this GPS could lock pretty quickly. However, I still have not tested it just yet, but I will probably be setting this up on a build. So these will be shipped from the HGLRC, I'm guessing the US warehouse if you're in the US. And if not, they will ship it from China, I think, to Europe, unless they have a European warehouse here. So these are the LED boards that would go on the arm, as you can tell. They don't go to the motor. They have special connectors, which are also found inside the packaging here, which makes your life easier. And they also do provide you with the heat shrink for these. So that's what you will be winning here. And this is by far one of the cheapest F7 flight controllers with this many features. That's just crazy. So let's go ahead and scroll the website and see what's new, because we've never done HGLRC's website. So first of all, let's start with a couple new arrivals on their website right now. So obviously they have the Dalrc Fold 3-inch variant, 7-inch, 6, and 5. And they also have a 20 by 20 45 amp ESC, which we're going to take a closer look at here. So first of all, if we take a closer look at this, what we see is they have the logic again split into a separate board. This is the new trend, and I'm guessing it's the best way to go because you leave much larger copper traces for the power delivery, thus less resistance and again less heat, and more power delivery. So yeah, that's what a lot of companies are tending to do now, and they're proving themselves to be pretty decent here. Now, if we look at the other side here, we see we have a good amount of filtration. We do have our shunt resistor. This is a BL32 ESC as well. And they're not using the usual size FETs. They're using slightly smaller. Again, you only have so much space here, but the filtration is really nice to see. And also the holes for the capacitors are, again, really, really nice to see here. And if you use the drone mesh coupon, you get 8% off if you are looking into getting this. This one right here is not new, but this is my favorite 6S 450 milliamp Xt60 battery. When you pair this up along with their Parrot, which is this guy right here, the Parrot 6S to be exact, you get 8+ minutes of flight time, like proper flight time, like insane speed, insane durability. When it comes down, I mean, the battery doesn't even sag, neither do the motors get hot. By far, one of the best micros I have ever flown, and I've never recommended something so much in my life because I truly enjoy it. And if anybody has it, they'll let you know down in the comment section how much they actually love this thing. So yeah, this will also be linked down below. I highly recommend you get just at least one of these batteries to experience that full flight time. And again, what's really nice with this is they also give you a connector. If you had 2 3S lipos, you can actually make those into a 6S. So you can also get flying if you just had some 3S Xt30s. Also, they're releasing their all new HGLRC Sector V3. They have a DJI variant. They also have a HD variant. And they also have just the frame. So they're releasing both the 4 and the 6S here. And you could get whatever one you want. And I can't wait to actually test this right here. But what I really, really want is, so 250 bucks without DJI. This is the Hakcrc version. The frame here. The frame comes in 5, 6, and 7-inch right there. So I really want that 7-inch. I'm planning on a new long-range build, an updated one. That's going to be pretty insane. So that would make for a pretty interesting video. And also have the capability of carrying a GPS, and also the DJI is going to be pretty damn insane. We can see it has 30 by 30 and 20 by 20 mounting holes, but it doesn't have the double stacking solution, so we don't have any in the backside right there. So again, check the links down below. The coupon also will be down below. And make sure you leave a comment and subscribe. And we'll announce the winners. And again, they'll be shipped from HGLRC themselves. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.